Welcome. The back button to return to previous screens. The history icon, which will display the last 10 diagnosed models, besides allowing direct diagnosis by VIN number. By clicking on this link, a list with all the saved vehicles will be displayed, classified by VIN number and model. Or the Start button, to come back to Jaltest home screen directly. Regarding the coverage for brands and systems, software version 15.3 increases the diagnosis possibilities for the types of vehicles diagnosed by Jaltest. For truck, trailer and semi-trailer, bus, minibus, light commercial vehicles, vans and pickups, off-highway and construction equipment or stationary engines, tractor and agricultural machinery, as well as manufacturers. The status bar at the bottom shows the kind of connection to the PC, the number of the software version, GRP Synchro status, the current user, including details about such user, whether or not the user has expert mode access, or if the demo mode is activated. At the bottom right side, the user will be able to check the battery status of the tablet or laptop PC, whether there is internet connection available, and the time and date. Next, we will select and use Mercedes Actors as an example. Inside the brand selection screen, two different areas can be distinguished. A list with all the brands on the left, with up and down buttons to move along the list, and a brand search box. The favorite brands, or the brands most commonly used, are located on the right and can be configured. To do so, we need to click on the selected brand and drag it to the right, to the favorite brands area. All favorite brands will be marked with a star. Buttons like this one will be found everywhere in the software. They are used to hide the left part of the screen in order to have more room to show the information on the right. The numbers located on the upper right part indicate the number of selected options and the total number. It is used for brands, models, systems, etc. Once a brand has been selected, a model selection screen divided in two different parts is automatically displayed. On the left, there's a filter by family, and on the right, there's a list to choose the model. Then we have to select the system we want to diagnose. There are four options to select a system. The first one, Systems, is the manual selection of the system. The option Main System Scan filters the most important systems in order to reduce the time for scanning and diagnosing. All System Scan will automatically search the systems previously selected. And shortcuts to special functions will execute a specific function, such as calibration or parameters modification. We choose the first option and select the MR system. To find it more easily, we filter the engine system. When selecting the system, the buttons on the left to access technical information are activated, and on the upper right part, the connector button is active too. Within the technical data related to the vehicle or the system, it is possible to check System Technical Data, Wiring Diagrams, Vehicle Technical Data, Vehicle Service Data, Troubleshooting by Symptoms, Technical Releases, both for vehicles and systems, and repair times. In future tutorials, we will explain new functions of Jaltest software.